Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's great spectacular unboxing adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of the box until it comes out. But right now, you know what's coming out of this bottle? Canadian Carling. That's what I'm going to drink. Cheers, big ears. Today's box is a cardboard box. It measures 15 inches by 10 inches by 4 inches and weighs about 3 pounds. Shake it. It doesn't really make too much of a noise. But, you know, it is what it is. It looks like this. And no, that's not what's inside there. This is a mystery box. This was brought to me. There's a story behind this box. I was thinking, hey, someone's giving me some ThermoWorks. This is nice. But no such luck. Like I said, there's a story behind this box. From what I understand, it goes like this. A YouTuber, who I was not told who it was, sent an item to another YouTuber, and that YouTuber wanted absolutely no part of it whatsoever. They sent it to another YouTuber, who then sent it my way. So that's how I got it. So your guess is as good as mine for this time for me. It's like a mail call, but it's not mailed to me. He didn't tell me what it is. He said, this is just for your unboxing. Okay, so, cheers, big ears. Let's unbox this fucking thing. Oh, fuck, that's good. And it has been opened because it's not ThermoWorks. Next time, bring me ThermoWorks. Paper. Came from USA. Everything's been redacted, except for that. All right, let's, yeah, feels solid. Kind of fucky. All right, let's open this fucker up. Go away. Be gone. Box. I wonder if there's a message inside. What the fuck is this? Any letters? No. Empty. I see a handle. Oh, what's this? Dunkin' Donuts. We don't have Dunkin' Donuts in Canada. Oh, fuck right off. I know exactly what the fuck this thing is. Cocksucker. Fuck you. Fuck right off. Okay. I can guarantee you, this originally came from Florida, from that fucking cocksucker that lives down there. Good old meat fuck. It's a retarded caveman knife. It came from the retarded caveman himself. That's fucking hilarious. What a fucking idiot. Oh my god. What the fuck? Seriously. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Well, that was what was in the box. Alright. Well, fuck all y'all. That's all I can say. Fuck you guys. And meat fucking shove that up his ass. There you go. Cheers, big ears. Happy unboxing. I think we'll have to make this a fucking special edition or something. Yeah. I'll get right on that. Yeah. Cheers, big ears. You, who brought it to me. You're an asshole. You know that. Alright. Yeah. Alright, bitches. Just give me a minute. Retarded caveman knife. I guess you could use it as an axe. It's not a cleaver. It's not a knife. If it was a cleaver, it'd be very useful. This is not a cleaver. This is not a knife. This is fucked. What about a piece of hemlock? Hemlock. Good. Well, has uses for camping or something. Got a bunch of horse shit. Where's my beer? Alright, bitches. That's enough unboxing for today. But you know what? This is a good box. I'm going to use this box for something else. That's the best thing of the whole fucking unboxing is this empty box. There you go. Don't send me any shit like that. Unless you want to see it get totally abused. If you want to see it get abused, send more. RTFO, mofos. Bah. Cheers, big ears. Until next time. Until the next unboxing. RTFO, mofos.